I vacuum this area rug all the time. I'm pretty sure it's clean.
Would you mind if I provided you a dry soil test to show you how much dirt is really in your area rug?
Sure. That was in my area rug? It looks pretty clean on a daily basis, so I had no idea that that was underneath there.
Yes, it's very typical we can find this much dirt and debris deep within the fibers of the area rug. Area rugs act as a filter for dirt and debris, and the dirt is able to get deep into the fibers that household vacuums don't have adequate power to remove.
That's actually really satisfying to see. I'm really glad that you were able to do that and show me how that can be removed. Wow, this looks so much better. Now it feels really clean.
Yeah, of course. Here at Stanley Steemer, we use steam and a powerful vacuum to get deep into the fibers to remove the dirt that your household vacuum can't remove.